Discover the four-step formula successful business owners use to secure unlimited access to growth funding and boost profits by 25 to 100% plus within 12 months. Don't reinvent the wheel. Just put the secret to work for your company. I have a question for you. Why do some companies build their profits quickly, use it to scale, while others struggle along and eventually fail? I wanted to talk about all this in this video. So who's this video for? It's for established business owners who are tired of having sales that are stagnant or dropping from the last 1 to 2 years and don't know how to get back their sales and profitability. They're struggling with cash flow issues or to build a consistent sales pipeline. They're determined and eager to steal more market share away from their competitors. You've invested in a coaching program or hired a marketing agency in the past, and they fail to deliver profitable results. Then this video is for you. You're serious about taking action to increase your profits within 12 months, since you are either in two scenarios. You want to increase your profits to scale, or you're looking to exit your company in 1 to 3 years and you want top dollar for it. So I want you to feel confident that by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to secure more working capital and boost your profits quickly. My name's Lindsay Gill. I'm a business investor, growth mentor, and co-founder of Mentor Inc. So in this video, here's what you'll discover. I'll walk you through the current market situation for SMBs, their most common growth challenges, why businesses fail, and how these issues impact you and your business. And at the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to address these growth challenges, and we'll create a customized growth solution tailored to your business to ensure you meet or exceed your profit growth goals. So let's explore in a little more detail why many businesses struggle financially and eventually fail. There are 5 primary reasons. The first is insufficient working capital. The second is poor market research into your client's needs. 3 is a lack of a compelling competitive advantage. 4 is poor marketing and sales results. And 5, poor strategic leadership and support. I'm going to go in detail in each of these 5 areas. So 1, a lot of business owners have insufficient access to working capital. And due to this fact, they're unable to grow or capitalize on profitable market opportunities just because they don't have access to growth funds. This poses a challenge for investing in any advertising, marketing initiatives, and obviously this affects sales. But if you've got poor cash flow from sales, this also causes poor access to even getting growth funds. And we'll address all of these issues further on in the video. 2, poor market research into clients' needs. So there's misrealization of a trending or hidden opportunity into serving your client better because not enough market research was done. You have poor understanding of your competitors or your customers' wants and needs. You don't really know their true pain points, and that's why it's hard for you to convert, more, inquiries into closed deals. Or there's misinformation that leads to fear of taking profitable action. 3, lack of a compelling competitive advantage. You have poor ability to capture the attention and interest of prospective clients that you're trying to bring into your funnel or into your pipeline. Your prospect has no idea the value proposition or the reason why to do business with you. So when you don't have a reason why, a competitive advantage, and not a strong USP, which is a unique value proposition, you don't know where to build your marketing strategy around. And commoditization is a big, big, big downer for many businesses. You just sound like your competitors and you have no clear reason why or differentiation. 4, poor marketing and sales results. This brings up a lot of issues from, having low volume, and when you have low volume, you're not profitable and you're not generating enough sales. You either, if you've invested in anything or spent money, you're either wasting it because you're getting a poor return on investment, or you're just still wasting money and generating unqualified leads. And your poor business development results leads to slow growth, and you just can't do it incrementally. And five, you just have poor strategic leadership, or you don't have the right support around you. So as the CEOs, as the owners of our company, we do fail to leverage advisors that could show us a different view, the bigger picture, to operate better in our business. We have the failure to identify and capitalize on profitable opportunities, whether it's wearing too many hats or we just don't see the opportunity nor have the time or resources to invest in them, or it's just the do it myself mindset. And this serves as a huge obstacle for charting a course to growing profits and sales on an ongoing basis. So these are just some of the factors that are causing the failure of a lot of companies. Let's just pause for a second and ask, are you experiencing any of these challenges, risk factors? And if you are, I want to delve a little bit deeper. So let's discuss some additional business development problems. Business development issues stem from stagnant revenue growth, the first one. Many businesses find themselves plateauing or struggling to identify new revenue streams or just not optimizing their existing ones. Two is operational inefficiencies, whether it's outdated processes, no SOPs, lack of automation, or ineffective management or team members. This could seriously hinder your productivity and profitability as a company. And last is customer acquisition. There's so many competitors out there that you're competing against in your industry, and it's becoming very difficult to attract and retain customers, especially if your marketing strategies or your value proposition is not hitting the mark, or they don't see you as the obvious choice. So, what are the implications? It's the feast and famine effect. One, you get financial strain. It's a major issue. You get the ups and downs, you get cash flow problems. It makes it really hard to meet just certain obligations, pay staff, or even just more importantly, invest in growth. There's just too many ups and downs, which also causes, number two, missed opportunities. Inefficiencies and stagnation can cause your company to lose out on big things like deals, partnerships, or securing more market share. And all of this feast and famine effect directly affects you. It takes a personal toll. We all know that running a business under these conditions is incredibly stressful, can lead to burnout, and reduces your ability to lead and make decisions effectively. So, what is the solution? The solution is a multitude of ways to optimize what you're doing, but it does start with you have to implement the right strategy systems and have that supporting team by your side. Two, we really need to identify the root causes of your business development problems, especially, and as well as, why you're not growing year over year, 10, 20, 30, 40% year over year. We need to implement tailored solutions so you could boost your revenue, streamline your operations, and enhance your customer acquisition efforts so you could spend the least amount of money but have access to the most amount of money to acquire a customer. And we'll get into more details on how. Lastly, with so many companies failing because of strategic leadership or poor strategic leadership and support, it's to work closely with a growth partner who can help your company secure the working capital needed to grow. And three areas that you need to optimize to increase profitability is your financial, operational, and sales performance. Once we do all this, it will reduce your stress and allow you to focus on what you do best. So by simply identifying and optimizing four key areas will maximize your cash flow and profitability. So these are four areas that will help increase just overall profitability. One is, when you have a compelling offer, a value proposition, this is a way to differentiate, well, in turn will too attract profitable customers. And this is key because you want to work with no headache clients, customers that have money to pay you, customers that are not going to be headache. So it's so important to attract profitable customers. And then third is expanding your distribution channels. Maybe the reason why you're not generating enough sales is because you only have one system, one channel out there. So we need to find multiple ways to expand distribution channels. And four, we need to secure more working capital so you can scale your growth fast. So in a nutshell, those were four areas to maximize cash flow and profitability. But now I want to go in a little more detail of a four-step process. So this will show you how we can secure more working growth capital and boost profits and boost your profits by 25 to 100% within 12 months. So step one, we have to optimize the hidden assets to boost profits following our proven blueprint. And then how we secure more working capital is reaching out to our funding partner network, and this will help you fuel your growth. Step two is to increase your cash flow and profits on a monthly basis by implementing the 12 key areas, which is our blueprint, to boost financial, sales, and operational performance. And once that's done, step three, this will boost your cash flow strength. And by doing so, you'll get to secure more working capital. And this is how you can get unlimited access to working capital, is because our funding partner network understands that you want to grow and scale quickly. And four is you leverage the growth capital. And this is how you could outbeat, outsmart, and outperform your competitors. And this will continue on an accelerating rate to grow your company's profitability, whether you just want to scale up or, like I said earlier, you want to exit in 1 to 3 years. Either way, when you accelerate your company's profitability, you will outperform your competitors. So this simple process, if followed properly, will increase your profits exponentially. Now that I've shared this process to grow your profits, I'll share a little more about who we are. So we're a team of business investors, growth mentors, strategic consultants, profit advisors, CFOs, CROs, marketing and sales experts, where we've served in multiple industries, whether it's financial services, business services, manufacturing, real estate, logistics, transportation, IT services, the medical, beauty, even SaaS, just to name a few. And our team boasts over 250 years of collected experience, and we've consulted for the top brands on some of these logos that you're familiar with. So our aim is driving increased profitability and company valuations. So that is the goal. Once you increase your profitability, you automatically improve your company's valuation. So we use our experience and knowledge to produce profitable results by simply identifying and optimizing the 80-20 rule, which is Pareto's principle. When we put 20% of effort to drive 80% of results, that is the secret. It's all about leverage. So we can do this quickly and cost effectively. Here are what some of our clients have said about us. This will be available below, so you can go through them and read them. Here's some more. So if you have revenue growth challenges and do want help to increase your sales, profits, and personal income, I want to share who we work best with. So if you're generating a minimum of 500,000 annual revenues, you'll be a great fit. You're currently investing 3,000 per month, a minimum, to generate new business. So we want to work with people that invest in their company's growth already. And if you don't, for any reason, once we secure growth funds, which is point number 4, you are still willing to invest any secured growth funds in a majority of marketing and sales, so you could boost your profits fast. you're just tired of having sales that are stagnant and you just want to get out of that rut and grow profits really fast, you're the owner and you have a growth and collaborative mindset. That's going to be very important because there's going to be some new strategies, ideas, and changes that you have to be open to if you want to get the results that we're going after. You have to stand 100% behind the quality and value your product and service that's offered in the marketplace. You're friendly, coachable, and eager to work closely with the team by your side. And you're just tired of stressing and struggling. And you just want to grow your profits right now. So I'd like to invite you to click the Get Started button now to schedule your free Profits Boost discovery call. One of our profit growth advisors will discuss your specific situation and will explore how we can make your business more profitable. We want to help you fill your calendar with qualified, profitable, and ready-to-buy leads that generate more sales for your company. So on our one-to-one Profits Boost discovery call with one of our profit growth advisors, we'll explore your current situation, roadblocks, growth opportunities, and discuss whether we are a right fit for each other. With the right strategic leadership and team invested in your success, you can achieve profitable results very fast. So by the end of the call with one of our profit growth advisors, you will have absolute clarity on how to start addressing your challenges, and you'll know where your areas of opportunity lie. We can help you achieve your revenue and profit goals, and our aim is to boost profits by 25 to 100%. So just a quick summary. There is nothing to sell on this call with you. It's simply what we call a Profits Boost discovery session. It'll be a confidential one-on-one 30-minute call with our profit growth advisor. We're going to create a customized analysis to identify at least 3 hidden growth opportunities in your company right now so you can boost your profits fast. You'll be able to uncover our 12-step blueprint, and this will be very clear on the call on how you're going to increase your profits by 25 to 100% at minimum. And then at the end of it as well, we want to design a customized game plan to boost your profits and secure unlimited working capital to fuel your growth. All you need to do is click the Get Started button below.